We live in a world where artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and the conversation often revolves around the idea of machines taking over. While AI has made incredible strides, especially in areas like automation and data analysis, there's something truly irreplaceable about the human element, particularly when it comes to the art of cooking. That's where the TM7 comes into the picture. It's not designed to replace chefs. It's designed to be their ultimate partner in the kitchen. But the Thermomix story doesn't begin with AI. It actually starts back in 1961, with a German engineer named Karl Vorwerk. He was looking for a way to simplify food preparation and created a machine that could both chop and mix. This first iteration, the VM200, was a far cry from the sophisticated TM7 we see today, but it laid the foundation for what was to come. The key to its success was its versatility. It wasn't just a blender or a food processor. It was an all-in-one kitchen assistant. Each new model brought more features and refinements, building on the core concept of simplifying and streamlining the cooking process. Now, fast forward to today, and we have the TM7. It's the latest evolution of this iconic kitchen appliance, and it takes the Thermomix concept to a whole new level. It's not just a multifunctional device, it's an intelligent cooking platform. Imagine a chef preparing a complex multi-course meal. Instead of juggling multiple appliances and constantly switching between tasks, the TM7 can seamlessly handle many of the steps. It can precisely chop vegetables while the chef focuses on searing meat, or perfectly blend a sauce while they're plating the main course. This frees up valuable time and mental energy, allowing chefs to concentrate on the most important aspects of their craft: flavor development, creative recipe design, and the artistry of presentation.